Alright, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the mattress stitch. So the mattress stitch is essentially a way to take two pieces and sew them together in a nice clean way. So in this example I'm taking two granny squares and I'm sewing them together for my beach bag pattern. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually take these two pieces and you're going to want to flip them over how you want it to be facing. So now this is the back and it's facing us. And then you're going to make sure your yarn is on your needle. And then specifically for these granny squares, I'm going to take the one on the left. I'm going to find my corner stitch and I'm going to take the back loop only starting from the back. So that's going to be this right one here. We're going to go out and in and pull it up. Got lots of yarn here because I'm going to be sewing a bunch together. Then you're going to do the exact same thing on your right square. So you're going to find that corner stitch, and this time it's going to be the stitch on the left here because that's our back loop. But again, we're going to go from out to in. We're going to pull that up. Pull it nice and tight together. And we're essentially just going to repeat that all the way up. So what I like to do for these granny squares is I like to kind of smush them together like a sandwich. And then I can easier see exactly which loops need to be sewn together. So it's all going to be the inside ones now, and we're going to go from out to in. So starting on the left, which is now our bottom here, we're going to go in that middle loop only, pull it tight, and then we're going to go up to this middle loop only and pull it tight. And repeat. So this is our next one right here. Middle loop only. Pull it tight. And middle loop only. If I can get in there. There we go. Pull it tight. And that's it. That's all there is to it. You're just going to keep going up until you've hit all the stitches.